Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Web Tech Zone. In this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to calculate difference between two dates in Excel. So guys, let's start with the video. Before we start, I'm requesting you, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget to comment below. So guys, without time wasting, let's start with the video. So here you can see I have this sample table, and I have already calculated the difference between dates. So I'm going to show you how I did this. So I just going to delete it. Okay, so you can see the start date, end date, year complete, months completed, and dates completed. So here, in order to how you can calculate totals years and totals number and total days in between the 2 days. So here you have to use the formula. This is a date diff function you have to use in Excel. So I'm going to show you how you can use it. Okay, so this is, so I'm going to first, I'm going to calculate numbers of year between the two date. Calculate the numbers of year between the two dates. So just click on equal sign that indicate to Excel that I'm going to use formula now. Now you have to use date diff. So type date diff. Okay, now open the bracket, select the start date, give the comma, select the end date, give the comma, and here you have to type y, and just close the your bracket. You can see the year completed years between two dates has been come here. So here you can copy this formula to hold your cell or rows. Just click on this corner and hold it by clicking the left button of your mouse, and just scroll down so you can see the all years has been appear here. So now here I'm going to calculate or find out total months between the 2 years. So here in months you have to change, you have to do some you have to change little bit. Okay, so I'm going to show you. Type equal, type date diff function. Now open the bracket, select the start date, comma, select the end date, comma. Now you have to give a sign like month, m only, m is month, double comma, and now close the bracket. You can see, and simply you have to drag on to other cell. Same here, you have to calculate days between the two dates. How to find out total days between the two date. Okay, so same way you have to use date function and date function, and now open the bracket. Same, you have to start, then in, then day. Okay, close. So that is how you can calculate difference between two date, or how you can get total numbers, date, year, month between 2 days. How? So I hope you like this video. Hit the like button, subscribe my channel, don't forget to comment.